Carol from New Orleans said, Brandy, you were a fan of Eileen's before you met her. What do you think of her without a script?
I don't really think of her.
What were your first impressions of Brandy?
You know, I thought she was funny. I was really open-minded about her. In fact, the night that we were at Lowe's having that dinner, we were having a great conversation. And then the wine thing happened, and it was just... that kind of put a kink in things, let's put it that way.
What would make you go, hey, I'm gonna throw a glass of wine in her face?
What were you thinking when you threw the wine?
I guess I just wasn't thinking. Caught in a moment.
The wine thing started off as, oh, I'm a fan. And then in her interviews, Brandy, it was about, oh, I met my husband, we were married to other people. And that became like your thing with me. I'm like, okay, I didn't know you felt that way until I started seeing it. I was like, oh my God, and then I realized it had gotten leaked. And people were then calling my husband's ex-wife from different tabloids. I had to have conversations with my children.
What?
With my children, I had to let them know.
I read it online.
I had to let them know it wasn't
was
on
out
the
there.
show with you throwing the wine and then saying it in your interview.
It online.
I know that, Brandy,
Okay.
but saying it in an interview and making it this and saying that calling me names.
Brandy, why do you do the things you do? Why do you say hurtful things? What happened to you as a child?
Nothing. I had a great childhood, so don't go there. My parents are amazing.
I just wanted to
Still
know.
together, in love,
I
happy.
wanted to know at our lunch what happened and why do you act the way you do?
Her parents are great.
therapist.
I've met.
Amazing.
I'm
a therapist.
I'm not, but I'm around this and I can ask behavior. You could ask me too.
Can I say something since this actually started with my whole thing? When the tabloids called my husband's ex-wife, you know what she said? Eileen and I are great friends. She's an amazing stepmother. And she hung up. And I'm hanging up on you in this topic because I'm sick of it.
Okay.
And if I can tell you one thing, try to make things better with your husband's new wife because
first
for your
of all,
children's
you don't know
sake.
anything about
That's
that.
all I'm saying. I'm not saying you gotta forgive. I'm not saying you gotta love her.
I agree with you.
That's all I'm saying.
And she knows
We're
one
on
day
a
it
good
will
track,
get-
so you
one
might
day it will
good.
get
I'm
right.
happy to hear it.
roll.
I'm just saying these things, that's why it's best just to stay out of people's business if you don't know.
Was that a trigger for you, knowing how she met Vince? That upset you?
I don't have any friends that would fool around. I mean, I had one friend that was having an affair with a married man, and I dropped her as a friend. Because
So you're the moral compass of the show.
No, I've never said I was.
Okay, so you're not judgmental.
I never said that
So
I
everybody
wasn't.
else is judgmental.
We're all judgmental.
Then shut the up.
No, you.
You.
I'm not shutting the up. He
Well, you
asked me a
should.
question,
You
I'm
talk
gonna
too
answer
much,
it.
and that's your problem.
This season on The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills.
You want a race?
Welcome to Amsterdam. Woo! She sleeps around and tries to steal men.
Don't call me a homewrecker.